how to activate Google Fi eSIM on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can activate Google Fi eSIM on iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is purchase your Google Fi eSIM. After that, you will receive a QR code on your device or email address. Over here, open the Settings app and tap on Mobile or Cellular. Then tap on Add eSIM. After that, select Use QR code and scan the QR code that you received. Then tap on Continue and wait for a few minutes for the eSIM to activate. Once activated, choose the cellular plan labels by tapping on Secondary and selecting an option or entering your own label. Then tap on Done and Continue. Now set your default line to primary and tap Continue again. After that, choose primary for iMessage and FaceTime. Then for cellular data, make sure secondary is selected and ensure that Allow cellular data switching is toggled off. Over here, tap Done and go back to the SM section. Then tap on your SM and ensure that data roaming and turn on this line are enabled. So that's how you can activate Google Fi eSIM on iPhone. That's all for this video.